Welcome to Data Project Hub. In today's video, we will solve a SQL interview question. So the question is, sales info table has 4 columns, namely ID, continent, country and sales. Now we have to write a SQL query to get the aggregate sum of sales country wise and then display only those countries which are maximum in each continent. So this is the question. So it has got two parts. In the first part, we have to get the aggregate sum of sales country wise, and in the second part, we have to display only those countries which are maximum in each continent. For that, we have already created a table which is the sales info table. Let us execute this and let us see the schema of the table. So here we have 4 columns which is ID, continent, country and sales, similar to what was written in the question. Now we will write the first part of the question where we have to get the aggregate sum of sales country wise. So we will start with a select clause select. The first column that we are going to take is the continent column, continents, and the second column will be country, and the third column will be based on an aggregate function which is the sum aggregate function, and inside the parenthesis we will specify the sales column, and this column will be named as total underscore sales. This is taken from the table sales info. And now we have to use a group by clause also here, since we are using an aggregate function in the select clause. And in the group by clause, we will specify both of the column which are continent and country. Now if we execute this, we will get the aggregate sum with respect to each country. So here we have the aggregate sum with respect to each country. Now we have to display only those countries which have the maximum sales in each continent. For that, we will place this query inside a CTE, that is T1 as open and close parenthesis, and this entire query will be placed inside the first CTE, and the second select clause will be based on the T1 CTE, and this is taken from T1. Now we are going to make use of another function in the second query which is based on the first CTE. So here we are going to make use of the dense rank function, dense underscore rank open and close parenthesis. In the over clause, we will specify the partition by based on continent, and order by clause should be based on the total sales. That is partition by continents and order by should be based on total underscore sales, which should be in descending order. And this column will be named as rank underscore sales. Now if we execute this, we will get an additional column which is called the rank underscore sales along with the result that we are seeing now. Execute this and we will get an additional column in the result. Now in order to get the final result, we have to place this query also inside a CTE, that is rank underscore CTE as open and close parenthesis, and this entire query will be placed inside the second CTE. Now we will write a third select clause select star from rank underscore CTE, and we will write a where clause which is based on the rank underscore sales column, and here the condition will be equal to 1. Now if we execute this, we will get the result where rank is only equal to 1. Execute this and we can see that we have the result where rank underscore sales is equal to 1. But in the final result, we require only continent, country and total sales. So we will specify the column instead of using the star, that is continent, country and total sales. We will copy this, and instead of sum of sales, we will only use the total sales because we already have this defined in the previous CTEs. Now if we execute this, we will get the final result in the required format where we have the continent as the first column, country as the second column and total sales as the third column. And this is one method of solving this query. There are other methods to solve this query as well. You can also make use of techniques like correlated subquery to solve the same question. Try that on your own and let me know your solution in the comment. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more. Thank you.